Hey everybody, what's going on? Bacon here. I'm going to start working on my PC build today. So right now I'm going to show you what I'm working with today. So far I got the Corsair C70 in Arctic White. I'm going to start removing the stock fans and I'm going to replace them with these Antec Advance 120mm UFO green fans. From there we're going to have the G1 Sniper Z87, the Corsair RM Series modular power supply, Crucial Ballistics Tactical Tracer, the H100i CPU cooler, 1 terabyte of hard drive, 240 gig SSD for the OS, i7 4790K, and a 780 Ti superclocked. So I'm going to put the fans on and then I'll show you what it looks like and we'll go from there. Thanks guys. So here are the fans. I replaced them all. The case came with 3 of them, 2 here and this one here. I don't know if you can see it right there. So I went ahead and replaced that. I added 2 more in the front over here. Can't really see them. Then I have 2 more and those are going to go on the radiator. So yeah, now onto the motherboard. Okay, now we're going to install the CPU and the RAM to get it ready for the case. This is my first time installing it, so let's give it a go. You know what? I didn't realize how tiny these CPUs are. Ten. I installed my first CPU. Now the RAM. Crucial Ballistics Tactical Tracer. We're going to put it in the outer ones. Time for the IO shield. Check this out. Love the gun right there. Goes well with that ammo can. Look at this case. Installing my first IO shield. That's how it goes. Now for the motherboard. Now to screw it in. I'm gonna get my screws. So here's my power supply, the RM650, and I actually decided to do this one fan down, so put that in here. I already started connecting a couple of things, well pretty much everything, and got to do a little bit of cable management. But so far the only thing I don't like about this motherboard, I mean I picked it because of its color scheme. I wanted to go with a white and green theme, but I hate this USB 3.0 and system fan header in the middle. And this is supposed to be an ATX motherboard, and as you can tell, I have these standoffs that are still right here that are supposed to be for an ATX motherboard. But let me get this installed and we'll be right back. So this is what it looks like right now. I got the water cooling system put in. For the most part it's connected. I just got to connect the power. I got to do a little bit more cable management, make it look all pretty. But now we're going to put the hard drives in. See, Western Digital 1 terabyte. This is what I'm going to use for all my games and other stuff, and then for my OS, this Pyro 240 gig. Now we're going to install this bad boy, 780 Ti. Don't you guys love this? Yeah. It's my favorite. Love doing that. So, take off this guy. We're going to take off first and second. And it's a little tight, of course it is. Put this guy in. And that looks badass. Alright, I'm going to connect everything up, and then once we get back, we'll power this thing up and see what happens. Wish me luck, guys. Okay, everybody. It's the moment of truth. She's all done. I tried to make her as clean as possible, but honestly, I was getting a little tired. Got done with work fairly quick this week, meaning I got my 40 hours really quick. But either way, moment of truth. Got a monitor over there, keyboard connected, turning on the power. Suspenseful. And so it's on, but it's not reading. There it goes, booting. Oh. Thanks for watching, guys. Alright guys, one more thing I forgot to mention. I did a little mod on this case up here up front. Let me show you. Right here. Change that LED to green, and the hard drive indicator LED green as well. So obviously the hard drive's not running right now, but there you go. Thanks for watching.